nga itong next entrep natin. Kahit hindi niya natapos yung kanyang kurso na marketing, napapakinabangan naman niya ang ilan sa kanyang mga pinag-aralan.
Partner, nagsimula lang siya sa isang food cart concept at tinawag niya itong I Love Sisig. At ngayon, may 8 food cart concept na siya. Certified businessman at the age of 25, yan si Andrew C., ang nagtatag ng Sisig Food Cart. Hilig na daw talaga kasi ni Andrew ang cooking ever since.
Ever since I have this willingness na talaga to learn cooking talaga. Nag-aral ako ng basic culinary. And then we formulated a few sauces, which is yung aming special sauce for I Love Sisig.
Very supportive naman ang kanyang parents nang buksan niya ang unang I Love Sisig sa E. Rodriguez, Quezon City. Kahit undergrad ay may experience naman si Andrew sa business. Pero teka Andrew, bakit sisig?
We all know, Filipino loves sisig talaga. Every time they go to gimmicks, every time they go to party, usually the first thing that they go into order is yung sisig talaga. So we come up with this special sauce that could contribute more good taste dun sa sisig na yon. Ayan, kinonceptualize namin through food cart. So, ini-specialize namin yung sisig. And then, it turned out successful naman at nagustuhan ng market. At currently, meron kaming 60 outlets na ng sisig all over the Metro Manila.
Almost 3 years na ang I Love Sisig. Tingin ni Andrew, hinug na ang kanyang food cart para magpa-franchise.
Yung food cart business, kasi nowadays, that's the fastest way for you to have a small business. Mayroon tong ready-made concept na, may system na. So you're just going to buy the system from us. So kung ikaw small businessman ka, we start ka pa lang, I think franchising business na is pinakamagandang business na pwede mong simulan.
Mayroong 2 klase ng food cart franchise si Andrew. May high-end at low-end. Sa presyong 29,000 hanggang 50,000 pesos. Pwede ka nang magkaroon ng isang food cart business.
So, when you get the franchise, when you find the franchise fee, that comes everything, Kasama na po yung cart, yung trade name, yung basic equipment, and then meron tayong mga training CDs. So, meron din tayong mga assistants, saka yung sales na training natin para sa tao.
At para mas affordable pa daw, bukod sa murang franchise fee, pwede rin daw ang installment basis para sa mga OFW.
The good thing about the installment sa atin dito, we don't have interest. So, hindi natin sila binibigyan kahirap pa. So, once you get the installment, kung magkano yung pinaka-amount ng franchise, yun na yun.
Slowly but surely ang negosyo ng ating young entrepreneur. Kaya naman, lalo pa siyang nai-inspire na magnegosyo para makatulong sa mas maraming Pinoy here and abroad.